Okay, guys, this is part 3 of the, as you can see, I'm a shade tree mechanic and I don't wear gloves. But this is the position sensor. I don't know if there's a way to test this by putting resistance against it or something like that, but I might look that up and see if I can find something out. But there's a wiring harness that connects to this. It should only connect one way. As you can see, there's a little tab right there on this side, but there's not a tab on this side. And so the wiring harness will only fit on there one way. There's a 10 millimeter bolt that goes through here. So when you put it back on, you'll have to line it up and put that in there. It's kind of a tight squeeze. So people with smaller hands might have a better time doing it because it's above that axle. Anyway, that's what it is. I'm gonna run down to AutoZone and see if I can't pick one of these things up.